Hi everybody, I'm Lori Townsend and I wanted to make you an orientation video for this Winter 19 Human Resource Management. So welcome, I hope you're excited. I am. It's going to be a quick fun ride, I hope. This is your course in Blackboard. This is the home page. You'll find this video here, so obviously if you hear my voice you found that. The next thing I wanted to take a look at was the course announcements. Here's your original announcement. You always check your announcements. They should come to your T-Wolves email, and the first message is to make sure you check your T-Wolves email. Especially with this short class, I write there to check it at least 3 times a week, but really check it every day. You can start looking at the left tab, which is what we're going to do right now. Start with course information, click around, get a feel for everything, make sure you read everything. If I post it, there's a good reason for it. But you want to make sure that you know how to navigate Blackboard. Number 3 is take part in the icebreaker discussion. We'll take a look at that, and then you're ready for Module 1. This course officially begins January 2nd. Hopefully you're seeing this video then. Okay, so that's the course announcements. The next thing is click on the course information syllabus. There's the course information. You can read through that starfish statement, logging into Connect. Connect is required for this course. Most of your work comes from there. Even though it's in Blackboard, you have to have a code. If you buy your textbook at the bookstore, you should have got a code along with it. If you bought it elsewhere, I don't really know. You really don't need to have the book. If you buy Connect, you get an electronic version of the book along with it, so you're covered. But it's up to you how you buy your book. It doesn't matter to me. The next thing is the calendar. There's a link to it over here on the left, but it'll just take you there and you click on this. This will open a Dropbox file. It'll ask you to log in. You're not required to log in. They're just trying to get you to register for their course. So I just want you to know this. All the due dates are put in as the same due date, the last day, the 12th, in Connect at 3 o'clock in the morning. That is not the due date for everything. These are the due dates for them. You are required to use the calendar as your due dates. To keep you on track, because if you wait to the last minute, I guarantee you will not get finished. So you could kind of use this as a checklist. You pretty much have work in Connect, final exam in Connect, and you have a report that's due here in Blackboard. Okay, oops, sorry, this is my other class. Over here. There's a student orientation. You don't have to do that if you've done that in another class. This is where this video will be found. Here's contact information for help. My office phone number is there, but this is winter session, and honestly, I won't be in the office very often. If I'm on campus, I'm there for meetings, so the best way to get a hold of me is to use this email address. Okay, the next thing is the learning modules. There's the icebreaker activities. You can go in and do your icebreaker discussion. Introduce yourself. You have to create 1 new post and respond to 2 of your other classmates. Then go back to the learning modules. And when you go to Module 1, I posted a couple of videos for you there, but the main part of the work, the Connect work, is in this folder, Mod 1. Click it again. And then you'll see there's homeworks for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the 4 chapters of the module, and then there's a module test. Again, it shows the due date of the 13th at 3 a.m., but everything in Connect should be done by the 11th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so that's how all the modules are. They look like this. Go back to the learning modules and we will scroll down. Here's the FAQ. You can also link to it from the left. I get asked the same questions all the time, so I made this FAQ to try and help you. You should probably check this before you email me because you'll get the answer sooner. Do I need the book? Well, I already told you you absolutely need Connect, and you can get the electronic book. That's up to you. What's the assignment due? I can't find the due dates. Did you look at the calendar? I can't find the report topics. How do you find them? Please note that your assignment, your report can only be submitted in PDF, doc, or docs file format. I cannot accept a pages file. You can save it in pages as a PDF, so there's no need for it. Can I submit stuff late? Well, there really isn't time, honestly, to submit stuff late in this class. I click on the link to connect, nothing happens. Make sure you have your pop-ups turned on because it'll open in a pop-up, and that's if you use this link here, connect. That's how you would get into the electronic book. You really don't need to go out to connect for any other reason. So that's it for that. Back to the learning modules. Report. What about a report? Well, here's the report assignment. I have to put the Dropbox back in. It disappeared for some strange reason, but here is the report requirements. I do specify the length, 5 pages, double spaced, and it has to be legitimately double spaced. You can't stick a triple space in there, and you have to use Times New Roman 12, and you have to use 1-inch margins. Too many students try to get away with doing less work. So there's 32 topics in here. They're numbered 1 through 16, 1 through 16. That's because during the normal semester I have students do 2 reports. So you only have to do 1, but you can pick from these 32 topics. Okay? And that's due the last day of class. I don't know when I'm going to grade it, but okay. Oh, that was weird. So that's about it. You can look at your grades. You can look at Starfish. I will be posting kudos and get to work notices in Starfish. Send the email, the FAQ we looked at. Here's Blackboard help, as well as the e-learning support if you need assistance on a technical issue. So that's about it. It's time to get to work, and good luck. I hope the semester goes very well.